Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to purchase Funding Pips account. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to get 20% off on your orders. Now, when you are on Funding Pips, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of the plans that you want to purchase. So for example, let's say I want to purchase the 2-step pro account. So I'm just going to simply select it. Afterwards, you just have to select the size of the account. So let's say I'm going to purchase the 25k account. So I'm just going to simply click on the option of buy now. Now over here, you need to just scroll down and you need to just simply look for the option whether these are correct. Then simply click on the option of buy now. Now, as soon as you click on the option of buy now, you will be landed here on the payments page where you just have to make sure that the account that you have selected is correct. You can also delete if anything unnecessary is available. Then in the right hand section, you are going to see the order history. So you need to just simply look for this option. Here you can also use the coupon code that is given in the description in order to get 20% off. Afterwards, select your preferable payment method, whether you want to use credit card, debit card, crypto, PayPal, and then simply just click on the option of buy now. So on the next page, you just have to simply make the payment, and when the payment is completed, you are going to get your account. So you can just simply log in into your Funding Pips accounts dashboard, and your purchased account is going to look something like this. So you can then click on your account and see its credentials. With those credentials, you can log in into MT5, MatchTrader, or even CTrader, whichever platform you chose. So that's how you can purchase your Funding Pips account. If this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.